Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I'm at Portlethen. We're going to be seeing services from ScotRail and one service from LNER. So yeah, let's get into the video. Apologies on the late start on the clip there, but that was 43032 and 43126 passing through on a service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street. And again, do apologise for the late start on that clip. I did not see that train coming in the slightest. Passing through now is an LNER service from Leeds to Aberdeen. And that was 800 111. Passing through there is 17401 on a ScotRail service from Perth to Aberdeen. Train cancelled between Glasgow to Queen Street and Perth due to a person being hit by a train. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley.
Please ensure all end tickets
The front was 43164, but I didn't get the rear unfortunately. Arriving now is a 1318 ScotRail service from Montrose to Aberdeen. And this one is 158718. Departing out now is the delayed 1318 ScotRail service from Montrose to Aberdeen. And that train is running about 10 minutes late. Arriving now is the delayed 1335 ScotRail service from Inverurie to Montrose. And this train is running about 10 minutes late. And it is 170-401. Departing out now is the 1335 ScotRail service from Inverurie to Aberdeen. From Inverurie to Montrose. This is not going to Aberdeen. There was 17404 on a ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street. 43036 and 43145. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley. I believe that was 43134 and 43173. No, the front was definitely 43134. I'm not 100% on the rear though. And I can confirm that was 43131 and 43134. Passing through there was 17471 on a ScotRail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Aberdeen. Arriving now is the 1422 ScotRail service from Montrose to Inverurie. And this one is 170411. And departing out now is the 1422 ScotRail service from Montrose to Inverurie. And that's going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.